Hello my people, how you doing? In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually create a Facebook page account for your Facebook monetization, because a lot of people do convert their normal profile to a professional mode. Please don't do that. In this particular video that I'm going to show you now, I'm going to teach you how you can actually create a Facebook page that will be eligible for monetization. So stick to the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't followed my page, please do well to subscribe, do well to follow, do well to like and share my video. So stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how you can actually create your Facebook page yourself.
So guys, this is just how to create a monetized Facebook page yourself. So here you have to go to your Facebook account, click on the icon on your phone, then it will open the dashboard. So what you have to do next is just go ahead and create the page. So just go to the icon that I just indicated now. Just go to this icon, click on it, then it will show another interface. So we have a lot of menus here, but what we want to do is just to click on these pages here right now. So these are all the pages that I have on this account. But for you to create your own Facebook monetized page, you just have to click on create. So after clicking on create, you have to give your page a name. Whatever name you want to use, you just have to put it there. It's just as simple as ABC. So you don't just have to stress yourself on how you can be able to create a page yourself. It is just as simple as you can think of. And if you are creating your page, please make use of a very good name, a name that they can easily search for you, they can easily follow your page, not a long name. I hope you understand. So you just have to be patient on how you can actually give yourself a good page name. As you can see here, I took my time guessing the name that I want to use. It takes me a lot of time to just actually settled on one name, because I actually have a lot of name pumping on my mind. So just have to take your time. If you want to do a comedy skit with your Facebook page, you just have to go and use a name that is applicable to your page. If you are doing a skit of singing, so just know that you just have to go for singing name. So now I've decided on a name, then I click on create. Now this is where you add a category. Of course, if you are a musician, if you are in a tech niche, it depends on your niche. If you are in a blog niche, you just have to select your niche. You just have to select your niche, because with this page, with this method, Facebook gets to recommend your page to people in your niche that are interested in your niche, because Facebook actually has the algorithm of all these people. So I've created it now, and I will add a category. Which category is your niche based on? My own is on digital creator, because I create content pertaining to digitals. So that is why I choose that. So that is just the simple truth on how to create. Then you click on next. You have to click on next so that you can have the next interface. And if you haven't followed my page, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. So here I click on next, because I'm sure with my category I have to click on next. So if you haven't subscribed, followed my page, share my video, please do that. That is just the only way you can help me. And here, if you want to add your website, you can just go ahead. And if you don't have a website, please don't panic. You just have to click on skip at the top part of your screen. Just click on the skip. And if you have a website, maybe you have some other businesses you do, please just go ahead and put your website. This will actually go a long way too, because they can also reach out to you through your website. So after doing this, I have to click on next. I hope you are following and I hope this video is helpful. So let's hold on for it. It's loading. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see our page has been created? Can you see now my page is Opeyemi TV? Can you see it is created? So you can just go ahead and click on done, and for you to add a banner to your Facebook account, maybe you want to put your picture, you can just go ahead and do that. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you like this video, please comment, share, like, follow and subscribe. So can you see I have nothing on this page because we actually created this page together. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this is helpful. For those that are coming to my DM, please okay, please, how can I create my own Facebook page? It's as easy as ABC. Then you go ahead and create content to your page, and please post videos always, and don't give up in any way or the other. So here I'm just looking for the image that I'm going to use for my page, because you have to use a nice picture on your page. This is what I'm doing here. I'm looking for a nice picture that I'm going to use for my page profile. So let's just hold on. Please follow, subscribe my page as I said earlier, and if you want to reach out to me, you can just reach out to me on the comment section, so I will get to know you better. Please, and if you have any questions to ask me, also I'm also available at the comment section, because I read my comments always. So I'm still looking for pictures to use. Ladies, we have pictures on our phones. Oh my god, we snap pictures a lot, we keep records of pictures, images. So just hold on for me as I'm about to choose an image for my profile. Here we go. I've chosen a nice picture, and if by eventually I have a better picture than this, I'm going to use it. So this is just how to open your Facebook page. This is just how to put a profile picture, and if you want to put a banner, that is the one that appears at the back of your profile, there's how you can do it. I'm going to create a video on how you can actually do that, because you need to get the exact size of this cover picture. We call it cover picture. You need to get the exact size. If you didn't get the exact size, it will cut some parts of the picture of the banner of the cover picture. It will cut it off. I want to see you, but yeah, I just want to use a random picture. And if you want to really learn on how to do your own Facebook cover picture, I'm going to drop a video soon that I'm going to show you, and it will be helpful to you. Let's just hold on for it, because I'm also looking for a picture that I'm going to use. So I have selected one. Can you see what I'm saying right now? A part of my head cut off the cover picture, so I'm going to choose another one to see if it will suit into it, and I'm sure it won't even suit it, because there is a measurement for this. I'm going to show you. Can you see this one? Can you see? There's a measurement for it. I'm going to drop a video and explain that. So thank you very much for having me. My name is Opeyemi, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, it is compulsory for you to subscribe. Opetech. Thank you very much for watching. I love you. My name is